Hi everyone, today I want to unbox with you a new style by René of Paris, and this one is Mika in Creamy Toffee R. If you are wondering, I am wearing one of the other new styles by René of Paris, which is NYX in the color Spiced Brown, and I have an unboxing of this one and a review on my YouTube channel, and I will link it up here somewhere. Anyway, this is about Mika today. Let's unbox it. Love these new styles. So always really securely packaged with a net. Just to keep the shape. And then you have tissue paper where the wig sits on. So again, keeps the shape and helps the lace front to be secure. And this is the color Creamy Toffee R, which is really lovely blonde color. It's rooted. And let's have a look at the cap construction. You have an extended lace front and you have quite a wide side part, and that goes all the way back to the crown. So it gives you that really natural part. And then you have open wefts, sides and back, an extended velvet nape with pull adjusters, velvet covered ear tabs, and there is a lot of stretch in this cap. First impressions is this is incredibly light. Touching it at the top, I can't feel any permatease. So for everyone who loves low density, this one might be for you, but let's put it on to really get an idea. Right, rule of thumb, if you are new to wearing wigs, 4 fingers from the bridge of your nose. This is where your hairline should be. Just so it looks nice and natural. Ooh. This is lush. This is really nice. I don't want to play with it too much because this is an unboxing. So I want to show you what it looks like straight out of the box. So I haven't combed it, as you've seen, done nothing to it. So this is what it looks like straight out of the box. I think it's a throw and go piece, definitely. So this is my left hand side. Let's look at the back. My right hand side. I think this is really pretty. So permatease wise, nothing there that I can feel. So if you like low density, close to the head, no lift at the top wigs, this one is for you. I personally think on me that looks the most natural, but everyone is different. There are so many different types of wigs out there, so everyone will find what they're looking for. So let's look at this lace one. I think that's beautifully done. Lighter pieces to the front, so you don't really see any knots, really natural. We have a quick comb through. Let's have a look at the part. Oh, this is really good. Look at how natural this looks. If you have trouble getting the part open, because sometimes these fibers have been sitting in that position for a while, they want to spring back. So just use a little bit of water and then maybe clip it where you want it like this and let it dry. These are heat-friendly fibers, so you could also add some heat to it. Do the same, just add heat at the top and let it cool. This is cute. This is just so natural. So you have a few flipsies. Don't know if that's the right English word. That's how I describe these kind of layers that just flip in and out, which I think just makes it look not perfect, which adds, I think, to the realism to this piece. I mean, wow. I love it. really nice movement. Now, it's a little bit of a flopper, as you can see, but as I said, these are heat-friendly fibers, so you can just add a bit of heat. Sometimes just doing this, massaging the knots in the direction you want them to go, like this. It's a temporary solution. It won't stay necessarily like that. You will have to keep doing that, but it does work. But if you want a more of a permanent solution, as I said, you just add some heat or water, clip it back, let it cool, let it dry, depending on which method you use. And some wig-friendly hairspray will do it too. But this is Mika. This is beautiful. If you are interested in this piece, I have a code that will give you 20% off at Adorance Trendco, and that is K20. I'll put it up here, and I will put the link to this piece down below in the description box, and we'll pin it in the comments as well, so you can find it easily. This is already a really quite budget-friendly piece, and with my code you will get 20% off, and Adorance ship worldwide. So if you're not watching from the UK, you still can get this piece with my code. And you can, I think, a really good wig that looks natural and is just stunning. So tell me what you think of Mika. And I will also put the link to the first one I wore, the NYX wig, in the description section as well. So if you want to check that one out as well and see what you think of these new styles. I will do a full in-depth review of this piece very soon on my YouTube channel as well. So subscribe so you don't miss it. Have a lovely day. Bye.